Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are in San Francisco at the Riu Fisherman's Wharf. We got here late last night, early this morning, about 1:30 in the morning after a long travel day, so apologies for videos the morning after, but I was exhausted last night. But let's have a look around. We've got a king, I think it's a king deluxe room. We're on the top floor, which is the 4th floor. Bed was very comfortable. I was very happy with that. Plenty of charging sockets both sides. Seating area with a lamp. Aircon you can hear is one of those ones that are noisy, and that's on the lowest setting, so that is, I guess it is what it is. It's one of those ones that shuts off as well when it hits the temperature, which is good for energy obviously, but at night it might wake you up when it gets back into action. Seating area here in the corner, which is actually a pretty good use of the space, and more seating, a work desk, and your TV entertainment station. Mr. Coffee with a Starbucks Pike Place, which was gratefully required this morning. And we also had breakfast here. Breakfast was actually really good, but it was super busy. They have those signs, you know, come between 6:30 and 8 and it won't be busy. So we got there at 6:45 and it was rammed. It was so busy. So it's popular, and the food quality was good. There was a really nice selection of fruit and hot foods and all the usual breads and cereals, etc. Nice 4-length mirror here. Interconnecting door, soundproofing here pretty awful. We could hear the guy next door snoring, and there was behind here is a corridor, and we could just hear a guy on his phone from 5 o'clock this morning out there yapping away, so not very good soundproofing. Let's swing around into the bathroom area. We've got single vanity on the outside, no door here, towels down the bottom, and as we swing around, your open door closet wardrobe with ironing board, and then through here with the door is your toilet and shower. Water pressure fine, temperature fine, all nothing to really complain or mention about, and of course a nice mirror. And there we go. It's a good sized room. Like I said, we're on the top floor, the 4th floor, so we've got these slightly inverted windows. View's not that great. It's just looking out into the courtyard. I think it's the other side. Oh, I say courtyard, it's just a bit of a nothing area. Annoyingly, that balcony down there, people are out there from 3 till 5 making noise. I pretty much really got no sleep last night, but you can see Coit Tower, so at least there's something. Something to look at, some form of view. I think if you're on a lower floor, you would just not see anything. But yeah, there we go. King Deluxe room at the Riu Fisherman's Wharf, San Francisco. We're only here for the one night. We're checking out now, and then we're moving on to the Argonaut down a few blocks down the road. So check out that video as well. Until next time, thumbs up, comment, and see you then.